Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something quite unique and fun, the Microlino Electric Bubble Car. This little vehicle has been making waves in urban transportation circles for its compact size and eco-friendly design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Microlino certainly stands out. It's a throwback to the mid-century bubble cars with a modern twist. The design is quirky yet charming, reminiscent of the iconic BMW Isetta. Despite its small footprint, it manages to turn heads wherever it goes. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious cabin for two. The Dolce edition I tested came with some neat extras like special interior finishes, a mechanical sunroof, and vegan leather touches on the steering wheel. However, the build quality leans towards basic, with a lot of plastic components that might not suit everyone's taste. Now, let's talk about how it drives. The Microlino isn't a speed demon with its 90 km/h top speed, but it's surprisingly nimble. The go-kart-like handling makes city driving a breeze, perfect for zipping through traffic or navigating tight parking spots. Its electric motor provides decent torque, ensuring a peppy acceleration that's quite enjoyable in urban environments. One of the critical aspects of any electric vehicle is range and charging. The Microlino offers a range of up to 177 kilometers on a single charge, which is quite impressive for its size. Charging it up is relatively straightforward, taking about 3 hours on an 11 kilowatts AC charger. During my testing, I found it to be reliable, though I did encounter a software glitch that temporarily bricked the vehicle. Fortunately, it's said to be a one-off issue. Who is the Microlino for? Well, if you're someone who primarily needs a vehicle for short urban commutes or quick trips around town, this could be ideal. It's economical, easy to park, and emits zero emissions, aligning perfectly with urban mobility trends focused on sustainability and space efficiency. So, should you consider the Microlino? If you're looking to downsize from a traditional car and embrace a more compact, eco-conscious lifestyle, it's definitely worth a test drive. Its charm, agility, and efficiency make it a standout in the world of microcars. That wraps up our review of the Microlino. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unbiased product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.